Hi, I'm Pooja Sharma, creator of this channel. I believe success is no accident. Success is all about consistency in doing hard work. But take me for granted, you are going to end up with a huge fan base and reliable companions for sure. 80% of success is showing up when you feel like quitting. Remember why you started it. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. And my dear friend, what if you get supercharged daily by motivation in an amazingly interesting way? Right from the childhood, everyone is fond of listening stories. It is the way we learn as well as entertain ourselves. This is what I serve you daily. The best motivational stories from around the world. Subscribe to my channel because I believe constant motivation helps you to achieve your dream goals faster. And I keep bringing such content for you, my dear friend, to help you get success. Thank you so much.